Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete all of your mails at once. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Gmail. Over here you can see here emails from various senders on my Gmail. You may have the same like this. Now to delete all this mail at once, over here on the top you can see here is select. Just click on this. Over here is drop down. Click on this and over here you can see here is all. Just click on this. Also over here you can see all 50 conversations of this page are selected. That means all the mails which are on this page is only selected. But if our intention is to clear our inbox, we have to select this, select all 66 conversations. Just click on this and after that you can see all the conversations are selected. Then after that over here is delete. Just click on this, click on OK. Now you can see over here your primary tab is empty. That means we have deleted all the mails from our inbox. So in this way we can delete all our mails at once on Gmail. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.